Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Meshkur Ali. Many people think that the word withdraw on Cash App means taking out physical cash from an ATM. But that's not really true. On Cash App, withdraw simply means moving your money from the app to your bank account or debit card. In this video, I will explain what the withdrawing means on Cash App, how it works, and how you can use it the right way. For your information, there is a big difference between Cash App withdraw and ATM withdraw. When we withdraw money from an ATM, we get physical cash in our hands. But when we withdraw money from Cash App, the amount moves directly from your Cash App wallet to your bank account or debit card. In Cash App, the withdraw option is called cash out. When we cash out, the balance in our wallet gets transferred to our debit card or bank account. This process is called withdraw. Look here. We're on the official Cash App withdrawal page, where all the details about withdrawing are explained. When we scroll down, it shows the step-by-step process of how to withdraw money from Cash App. First, open Cash App, click on balance, then click on cash out, choose the amount, and click on cash out again. Here, you will see two options, standard and instant. In the standard withdrawal, there is no fee, but it takes 1 to 2 days. In instant withdrawal, there is a small fee, but the amount is instantly transferred to your bank account or debit card.